In this video, I'll show you how to send bulk SMS in Twilio. So to get started, go ahead and open twilio.com and then sign in to your account. Now after that, once you're signed in, head over into the messaging tab, which you'll find at the left side of your screen, and then under that, make sure to click on services. Now once you click on that, you'll get redirected into this section, and here go ahead and click on this create messaging service, and then in here you need to go ahead and name your messaging service and what do you want to use this messaging service for. Then click on that create button at the bottom right. Now in here you can go ahead and add your senders pool. So click on this add senders button, and then as you can see in here, you can set your sender type and then click on continue. As you can see, you can add bulk number for your senders or select phone numbers that you have on your device. So make sure to upload your CSV version of contact list, which should contain the name, phone, and message that you want to be sent for each of the individual that you want to message using Twilio. Now after that, you can go ahead and proceed on the integration section, and then set this to send a webhook, and then enter your webhook into this section along with the fallback URL, and then scroll down to proceed with the next step of adding compliance info. And then once you're done with this, you can go ahead and send bulk messages to that individuals among the sheet that you've uploaded here. And that is how you can basically send bulk SMS in Twilio. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.